I think we can straight away start doing the card. I hope you would have read the card.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Are you ready to speak that card?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I just want to conduct mock today for the speaking. Okay.
Surely, ma'am, sure.
So as for the mark, just warm-up questions could be there. So accordingly, I'll do some warm-up questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Well, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello, good morning. My name is Sandhya Pantri. I am working as a nursing officer in Sir Gangaram Hospital, and I have, like in my family, my husband is an engineer, and I have one child. He's a boy.
Well, why did you become a nurse? Who is your inspiration?
Actually, in my family where I born, there is no one who is in the medical field. So every time, whenever there is a need of a medical person in our family, so I feel there is, there is a lack. So that, self-inspired me to be be a nurse or some medical professional basically. So that, that blank space in my family, I want to fill that. That's why I became a nurse.
Well, do you see that this is a suitable job to you? Are you satisfied with your job? What are the pros and cons of your job?
Yeah, definitely, because I feel like that if I wouldn't be a nurse, then I'm definitely not going to be like anything, because I'm really feel like that this is the perfect job for me, as we daily communicate with the people, and we daily see different people, and we handle the situation and that conditions, and we talk to so many persons. So I feel that this is the strongest hand where I can stand. And and if I say pros and cons about my job, then definitely there are some like good things and bad things definitely. So the best thing in my job is dealing with so many different people, and daily meeting so many different kind of person cultures, and uh, you're able to understand the level of understanding and their emotions. So I feel everything a new thing is very fascinating for my job. And the management of time, that is a difficult part for my job. Rest everything is really good.
Well, Sandhya, good to know that you have explained about why did you become a nurse, who is your inspiration, what are the pros and cons. Well,
Yes,
now we are going to do the speaking task now, the role play. The card has been
right,
given to you. Are you ready for
right.
the card?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you could start your conversation.
Okay, ma'am. Um, Hello, good morning. My name is Sandhya. I am a working nurse in this care hospital, and I'm going to care for you today. So, how are you feeling, and how your baby is doing? Are you comfortable? Do you have like any discomfort, any problem? Can I know that if you have any?
Well, good morning, Sandhya. I hope the day one I have got admitted in the hospital,
Right.
I remember that you were taking care of me, but my concern at this moment is about this kind of, engorgement, the
Oh,
pain
right,
in my breast. And
right.
moreover, there is a kind of tonus around my breast, which is quite, disgusting. Moreover, I feel my baby find it really difficult in order to suck the milk because of the
Okay,
soreness and patches around the nipple. I really
okay.
wonder, is this the cause, and what is the cause and reason for this? And am I the only mother who is facing this, or is it quite common to all the women who is the first
Right,
time mother?
right,
So if
right,
I
right.
just come to know what is the reason and how to overcome it, because I
Definitely.
want to feed my baby as long
Right,
as possible. So this
right.
is something, stopping me to help my baby to feed.
To breastfeed. Right, I can understand. Well, really, I can understand your concern as being a newly mother. These all things are going to disturb you, but definitely, I want to assure you, this is not a condition that you have to worry about. This is a very temporary and self-resolving thing. So you don't have to worry about anything, and we are here to help you out. And as you told me that you're having your sore nipple, this is really very common because after delivery your hormones levels get increased and your milk production get increased. So that's why your breast got engaged, got engaged and engorged, and your nipple gets sore, and that definitely it prevent you from breastfeeding, but you have to be brave enough to feed your baby. And this is a very common problem which all the females who are like firstly being mother, they feel that. So you don't have to worry about. I am here
That's
to
what.
help you.
Sorry for the interruption. There is nothing
Right.
to speak about, whether I'm brave or not. No, it is
No,
my
no,
will.
no. Right.
It is my wish that I want to feed my baby as long as
Right.
possible, at least for 1 year, as long as I'm lactating in a proper way. Though
Right.
I go for other supplements, I want to feed my baby. But my concern is, right, the baby has got a very soft,
Right.
lips
Right.
and the tongue to suck, and the
Right.
soreness and the patches, really disturbing the baby, and my baby cries a lot. And most of the time, what I do, I just pump the milk out and I try to feed baby rather than
Right.
sucking
Right.
through the
Right.
nipple. But
Right.
I
Right.
just want baby to suck through the nipple, and
Right.
as no, it is disturbing me. That's the reason the engorgement and painful breast also I have. So, what
Right.
remedies you could recommend for this
Definitely.
engorgement
Right.
and for
Definitely.
to overcome the soreness?
Definitely. Yes, just like after this, I was just going to tell you about the remedies that you can use. So first of all, that frequent breastfeeding is the most good thing to overcome this. And as you were talking about your sore nipple, so there is a cream that you can apply like after your baby get feed and get fed. And when you're again going to feed your baby, then you have to just wipe it out with wet cotton, and then you can feed your baby again. There is a cream you can apply that is nip care, and I will arrange that that cream for you. And definitely I want to enlargement and sore nipple, they are definitely uh, going to resolve by breastfeeding itself. You don't have to worry about, and you don't have to express milk. You have to feed your baby through milk. It will be helpful for you and the baby. All right.
But it's like you say, and my mom-in-law, she suggested that to express the, excess milk through the
Right.
breast pump, and
Right.
it could be, stored for 2 to 3 hours, and
Right.
it could be, fed to the baby. But I
Right.
don't want, store and give. I just want the baby to be fed through the nipple, through my breast,
Right.
I could say. So
Right.
that's
Right.
so. But is there any option to express the milk with the help of breast pump? And I don't want it to be used for my baby. If you have any kind of arrangement or storage which could have been utilized for other babies, malnourished babies, you could use it for the milk bank. And
Right.
other things. And moreover, the
Right.
engorgement is painful. I need some immediate relief. And one more thing, as
Okay.
we told that I could apply the creams.
Right.
See,
Yes.
my concern is if I apply some cream or gel, and
Right.
it might have some kind of chemicals or side effects. So that's
Okay.
my concern. How could you guarantee that?
Oh, like this is really a very good question as being a mother. So you are not you are not the first one who is like who is being so concerned about this. Uh, each and every new mother faces this, and we prescribe this cream to them, and there is no such side effects we have seen till now. So you can definitely on my assurance you can use that. Just only you have to take some precautions, like when you are feeding, then you have to wipe it out with a wet cotton, and then you have to wipe it with a normal wet not wet not dry dry towel, and then you have to feed your baby. It is really going to help you, and it is not going to harm your baby. And definitely, as you asked me about the immediate relief in engorgement, so doing some hot water tapping. It's really going to relieve you. It will reduce your pain on your, like, it is going to really reduce pain in your breast. And one more thing, you asked me that about blood bank, milk bank, right? So definitely you can express your milk in bottles. If you don't want to give your baby to that expressed milk, so you can breastfeed your baby, and that milk can be like for 2 to 3 hours can be preserved in refrigerator, and then it can be warmed by bottle warmer, and it can be given to other baby. If you want to do that, I can arrange the arrangements. If you don't want to, then it's complete your wish. Then you can use that milk. It's not going
Well,
to harm.
that's the concern, nurse. It all depends on, say, if you have the milk bank which could have been utilized for the
Yes,
malnourished
yes, yes,
babies, you
yes,
could
yes.
utilize it, or you could discard it, because my concern is I don't want to store and feed my
Right, right,
baby on that.
right,
I want
right,
my baby to be fed with the fresh milk. I believe that I'm lactating more, and that's the reason the baby is not, because my baby is small, hardly weak, and her requirement is so less, but my lactation is
right,
more. That's the reason this
right, right,
engorgement I have. And
right.
moreover, I want to say you that I'm allergic to antibiotics. So
Okay,
I don't want any kind of antibiotics or any kind of medications. I just want
okay,
everything to happen in a normal way. And
right,
if you could give still more tips how to overcome this engorgement, and what is the proper position to feed the baby, because
right.
I don't have any older people at home to help, especially I
Okay,
don't have my mother.
right,
My
right.
mother-in-law could not be helpful to me at this moment.
Okay, 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 fine. Definitely, this is really a very good question you have asked me. I am definitely going to arrange our lactational counselor to visit you, and definitely they are going to help you. They'll teach you each and every step of proper breastfeeding, and how you can, like you can feed your baby in a proper position, which is going to, like, comfortable for you and for the baby itself. And definitely, we do have a milk bank in our nursery department. So we are using this stored milk, which is given by our other mothers also. So if you are interested in that, I can arrange the arrangements to, like, they are engorged, so there is problem of grabbing the nipple to the baby. So you have to little bit scratch your breast and protrude the nipple, and then you have to feed your baby. It will be really very convenient and better position. Do you
Well,
understand?
that seems to be a good suggestion, as far as I think the
Right.
tips is going to help me a lot.
Definitely.
Anyhow, no, thank you so much for your consideration and patience to answer all my
You're
questions.
most welcome.
And
You're
but I just want immediate relief for this engorgement, to do something without any kind of medication. Okay, thank you.
okay. Okay, definitely. You're most welcome, and definitely I'm going to tell your doctor about this severe pain and engorgement, and they'll definitely come to see you. And till the time, I'll just inform your doctor. So, do you have any other question which I can clarify?
No, as of now, these are my concerns. I want to
Thank
feed my
you.
baby,
Okay.
but my baby finds it
Sure.
really difficult to suck
Sure
because
thing.
of the soreness around the nipple, and moreover,
Right.
the
I can
engorgement
understand.
is
Right.
a painful experience, and I could not tolerate the pain.
Right. I can
So
understand.
these two are my concerns.
Definitely, definitely. So I'm just going to call your doctor. They'll be here in few minutes. So I'll just make a call to them. So shall I take a move?
Yes, you could. Thank you so much.
Thank you.